DEVAISE Lateral File Cabinet, 3-drawer wood storage cabinet for home. Letter legal size file for office, cherry. Finished in select cherry, this classy lateral file cabinet will complete your office and storage cabinet for home with classic beauty. Reinvent your workspace. Wood file cabinet with 2 top small drawers provide a plenty of storage space for regular size items. Excellent filing organizer. Large bottom file drawer with 2 adjustable rails for hanging files with letter, legal, A4 size files. File cabinet drawer opens and closes on smooth metal runners. Material: the lateral filing cabinet is made of solid eco-friendly board, water-resistant and anti-scratch, very easy to clean. Excellent service. This file storage cabinet, 29.5 x 15.7 x 30.7 inches, is easy to assemble with instruction. Provide 24/7 service. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.